Again?
Hold on. What is making all that noise?
That's the pump.
The fuel pump's under the car.
There's two.
One under the car, usually, and one... The fuel pump's usually by the gas tank externally, and in the... Okay, turn it on.
Try again.
Don't keep pressing the gas, you're going to flood it. Turn it on.
Come on. Please. Ugh.
So now, turn it off. Move this stuff back and park in the car.